Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to share with you the different methods of cooking vegetables, as well as the example vegetables and the sample dishes. Cooking of vegetables activates flavor molecules and causes different changes in its color, texture, flavor, and odor. The methods of cooking vegetables are categorized into two: moist heat and dry heat. The first category uses small or large quantity of water, while the latter uses small or large amount of fats in cooking. Moist heat cooking methods of vegetables are cooking methods that uses water, steam, and liquid in transferring heat to a food. And the following are the different moist heat cooking methods of vegetables. Boiling. Cooking of vegetables using large amount of liquid at boiling temperature, where big bubbles rise and breaks in the surface of the water. The sample dishes are boiled munggo, pakbet, boiled ladyfinger, and eggplant. The sample vegetables are mung beans, squash, eggplant, ladyfinger, banana's heart. Braising involves searing or sweating the vegetables in fats before adding liquid or broth. Sample dishes are ginataang langka, laing, ginataang kalabasa, braised ampalaya, ginataang puso ng saging. Sample vegetables: cabbage, squash, jackfruit, taro leaves and roots, bitter melon, carrots. Steaming. In this method, vegetables are cooked using a steamer over boiling water. And the sample dishes are steamed mixed vegetables, steamed kamote tops, steamed broccoli. And the sample vegetables are green leafy vegetables, broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, ladyfinger, eggplant, green beans. Are the dry heat cooking methods of vegetables. Baking. Cooking of vegetables in an enclosed space like in an oven. Sample dishes are baked potatoes, baked eggplant, baked mixed vegetables, baked mushrooms. Sample vegetables: potatoes, carrots, eggplant, bell pepper, mushroom. Frying. A dry heat method of cooking vegetables using right amount of fats in moderate to high temperature. Sample dishes are tortang talong, fried potatoes, squash nuggets, fried eggplant, fried ladyfinger, fried green beans. And the sample vegetables are potatoes, eggplant, ladyfinger, squash, green beans. Grilling is a fast cooking method that gives a charred color to the food, like grilled eggplant. Sample dishes: grilled eggplant, grilled green chilies, grilled mushroom, grilled grilled potatoes, grilled tomatoes, grilled bell pepper. Sample vegetables are potatoes, carrots, eggplant, bell pepper, mushroom, tomatoes, and chilies. Sautéing. Cooking of vegetables using a small amount of fats and done quickly. Sample dishes: chop suey, sauteed ampalaya, sauteed toge, fresh vegetable lumpia, sauteed petchay, sauteed cabbage, and squash. Sample vegetables: carrots, cabbage, bean sprouts, snow peas, bitter gourd, squash, mushrooms, and baby corn. Stir frying is a method of cooking in which vegetables are fried in a small quantity of very hot fat while being stirred in the wok or pan. Sample dishes are stir-fry mixed vegetables, easy vegetable stir-fry, broccoli stir-fry, ginger veggie stir-fry. And the sample vegetables are leafy greens, bean sprouts, snow peas, onion, carrot, broccoli, baby corn, bell peppers, mushrooms, beans.